Hey y'all, it's your boy Blade Boss EDC. I'm doing a quick pocket dump this morning. We're gonna start off with the most basic of tools, and it is not a fixed blade, or not a slip joint. This is actually a BFC Tactile Collab fork. So we got this boy. It's just in my pocket, just in case I find some eggs or something to eat. Shout out to my boy Brody over at Breakfast Club for helping me out on this one. So we're gonna start off with that. So that's that. Now we're gonna go to my user knife. Got my user knife. This is my Gen 3 Lamia in Elmax, which I absolutely adore. And then we're gonna go with the special pry, the one I won't actually use. And it actually, I should get to show off my little case design this morning. So this is my doodad by my boy Ian at CMF with that black lip mother of pearl. But this is my my slip design here, and it's actually kind of cool. So the way it works is it slips right in. It's got tension. It doesn't just slip out. And it's made out of 40 mil PVC with a double stitch. I've made two so far. This is Proto 1. I made one for another guy, which is Proto 2, which was much better because I was able to just replicate this design in a much more efficient way. Anyway, this is the doodad, and what you're looking at is a titanium pry bar with a miniature fixed blade inside. The mini fixed blade's CPM 154, tie pry, black lip MOP. I'll let you get a look at that black lip. It is really nice. Anyway, the way this works is this is a leaf spring. These are your screws. You grab both ends and you hold this end and it slides right out. There's a detent ball in the track, and and the way that it goes back in, let me grab it, is it just slides kind of just really perfectly right in. And then that's it. No movement, no shaking, nothing. It's really awesome, and I have messed with this quite a bit. So that's my doodad. Now my user pry is going to be my Carver Pop and Pry 2.0 in full titanium with 2 trit vials that I inserted. So that's my daily user for today. Hold on, guys, sorry. And then my my special knife, which or you know what, we'll do fixed blade next because there is a fixed blade. I am an EDC guy. This is my Cerberus Knives Riot in crew wear and Forest Green G10. This is an amazing knife, and it's held an edge for fucking so long. Anyway, that is that, and then here is the fancy boy, my one that I carry every day because she is my favorite. We have a Brandon Weiss leather slip right here. You can see his logo all over it. This is reindeer, sustainably sourced reindeer with a Sully suede liner. And if you can tell what knife that is, we're about to look. Anyway, guys, this is the Maverick Concepts Ren, which is a full integral. Okay. Now, just because I really think it's interesting, this is a thin knife if you've ever held it. That's how thin the Bexar is. It's as thin as a pry. Anyway, y'all, what you're looking at here is black glass Durastone for the black inlay, and then white Westinghouse linen micarta for the white inlays. And then you have the customized pivots You have titanium thumb studs, and then Norris Hornet's Nest. And the action on this is just so good. It's so good. Anyway, y'all, these are the things that I carry daily. So anyway, hope y'all have a good day. I think this and my doodad are probably my favorites. Anyway, have a great day. Blade Boss is signing off. Don't forget, put a knife in your pocket. Don't forget to use your shit. Peace.